Hello. Kaya kung dili ka kibawag sa imong katuyuan sa kinabuhi, you might be majoring on the minor and minoring on the major. And at the end of the day, wrong assignment pala. Are you following me? Kaduha, kinahanglan na kay conviction. Belief in significance. Kaya nang imong conviction, will turn out to be a vision. Hindi siya mga kadakot process ani usani siya ka lesson. Are you following me? Yes. Kaya vision nila to is a purpose in picture and a purpose with a plan. So hindi lang kaman sa bumbong ang imong vision. There must be a kakita ka na, but there must be a plan that goes with the vision. And passion. Passion is basically a desire stronger than death. Just like Jesus Christ, His work, when He knows His purpose, and His purpose is to do the works of the Father. Wala si Ginoong Jesus niya sa kalibutan, aron nangita kwarta. Hello? Yes. And Jesus Christ is our model. Because when we do the purposes of God, the provision will follow. Amen ba?
Amen.
And then inspiration. So when you get this passion, you become an inspirator to others. You generate meaning of life in others. Importante siya in our dying communities, especially our LGUs. Kaya daghang kayong mga problema gikan sa taas padong sa ubos. Leaders and citizens. Kung imo tanaw may problema sa itong society, very huge kayo na ikaw mismo mag-listen na kung ito ra. Are you following me? And then, once you inspire others, you influence others. And leadership, mauli siya ang leadership. Influence. I wonder kung you as a pastor, we as a pastor, napatay influence sa atong community. I encourage you to be part in your communities or LGUs governance. And i-allow din na siya in our constitutions at DILG law na participatory governance. I would like to tell you, and Genesis 1:26, that God made us to rule and have dominion on earth.